Alright guys, this video is long overdue. We have some new lashes. Fontana Pharmacy is the only place in Jamaica in the world that carries our lashes, and I'm talking about these new bad boys. Don't worry about this one. I wore this one, it's in there, but it's just not in the tray. So these are the lashes, or new lashes that we have. You can just take a screenshot if you want, just for reference. I decided to change the design of the boxes because I didn't like how the black looked. It didn't speak, it was okay, but I didn't like the white tray in there. The black just looked dull to me. I don't know, but I decided to go with this design instead, this black and gold, and it was the best, among some of the best design changes that I will be making. And here you can see the lash. This is called Stiletto, and it has Pomi by Lyric right here, and it says blinking pretty. Now blinking pretty in Jamaican terms, it just means blinking is like an exaggerative word. It's a word used when we're exaggerating something, like in America you can say I'm blinking hungry, but in Jamaica you say, boy, I'm a blinking hungry, boy, I'm a blinking tired. Girl, the boy blinking cute. Girl, the boy blinking sexy. You know, I do blinking lie. It's that kind of a word. It's like an expression. And blinking pretty is just saying, Bobo, you're blinking pretty means you're extremely beautiful, as well as it means that you're blinking. Do you see that there? So we did there. So that's the concept behind blinking pretty. And of course, Pomi means pigments of my imagination. And at the back, it has bold, sophisticated you, which is our tagline. And of course, our website, pomibylyric.com. And I'm smiling from ear to ear because this is the design I've always wanted, and I thank God that I have it. And this is the brand. So we have two new brands. We have Stiletto and we have Rockstar, and I will have images of I will have pictures of those lashes floating around for you guys. But yeah, these are very, very lightweight. These are very hot. Let me see if I can see them in there. See them floating around. See them. These are very, 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 very lightweight. Very lightweight. A lot of times I have them on and I don't even know that I have them on. They're so light on the eyes. And that's what I love about our lashes. Our lashes are extremely light, and it wears easily. It's comfortable, it's easy to apply, the bands aren't thick, you can move I love them. So the four styles that we have are Dainty, which you guys know, and of course Popular Kid, which is sold out in Kingston. That's crazy. Thank you for the love, but that's crazy, but thank you for the love. And you can't really see these properly. These are called Rockstar, and these are stilettos. These are our two new lashes, and we only have four. We don't have Wifey, we don't have Ruth, and Black Widow. Those two we don't have. We will not be bringing back Ruth or Black Widow, or we don't know, let's see, but we definitely have to bring back Wifey, because we're like, people are saying, where is Wifey? Girl, you must be tripping. I needs Wifey. So Wifey will be coming back. Popular Kid is selling out like crazy. Popular Kid will be coming back as well. So these are lashes, and again, they can be only be found bought on Fontana Pharmacy's website, as well as you can go into the store and order. Now when you order online, you can actually pick up in the store. So you can order on fontanapharmacy.com, put in a discount code, which I'll leave in the description bar for you guys. You know I got you, babo. And you can go into the store and pick them up. How cool is that? So cool. And of course, you know, they have locations, 5 locations island wide. Anywhere there's a Fontana Pharmacy close to you, maybe like 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. But there's a, what's this glow? But there is a Fontana Pharmacy. Stop it. but there's a Fontana pharmacy that's close to you. Just want to come through with this video. My camera is giving problems, or is it my memory card? I don't know, but yeah. So thank you guys for seeing through to the end of this video. I will definitely be doing more tutorials with these more specifically, so look out for those. And yeah, don't forget to check out the description bar. There's some nice goodies down there for you guys, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Fontana Pharmacy is the right, so to be added to the mix is wifey, so wifey will definitely be added to the mix. But yeah, so these are our new lashes. These two is pink. Yeah, so these are our new lashes. I don't know why this thing keeps on stopping. How does it keep on doing that?